Hello, everyone. This is your girl Pauline coming to you again from my crafting hut. I have a few concepts that I've been working on. Just wanted to go ahead and share them with you. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and the comment. I would like to have you join me as I go along my journey. If you're a returning subscriber, I truly appreciate you. I thank you for continuing to support your girl. With that being said, let's go ahead and make this video a quick one. So, this is the first one that I have here. It has the Dad, my forever hero sign. It has the Barbasol shaving cream, the room deodorizer. It has a Pro Silk body wash. It also has the deodorant, has a bar of Dove soap. Have this box with some candles. I have here the shaving cream, a hand sanitizer. I have one of these retro cups that I got from Walmart. Actually, I found some more of these. I used some in a concept the other day, and I found three more. So I had more than I thought I did. And of course, we have a loofah. So I'm going to shrink wrap this one, and this will be ready to go. All right, let's move this aside. And let's go ahead and show the other one. This here is one of my smaller concepts. It has the cologne, a bar of soap, and trying to stir this like me, and a loofah, and of course deodorant. So this is one of my least expensive gifts that I'll have out on my table. I think I'm going to use this here to attach the ribbon and maybe the tie. But I'm not really liking this because I think the box was supposed to go that way and I flipped it over. So I might take this off altogether and just put the ribbon up here. So that's the thought process I'll work on. Okay, I have here, this is a semi-flat concept. I have the Bath and Body Works. I have the Axe deodorant, one of our Dollar Tree mugs. I have a wallet in here, and I have the True Religion socks. Maybe I should turn it another way so they can see the full name on it. But no, I'll leave it like that. So yeah, so that is this concept here. And the tray, I got this from the Dollar Tree, oh, I think about 2 years ago, even long before I started doing baskets. And I have a couple of these, so I'm going to go ahead and do a few flat concepts with those. Okay. Next, I have here, I'm using these gable boxes that I have. In here, I have one of those cologne sets that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's yeah, it's blue. It's one of these. So I took them out of the box, and I have in there also some Tag washcloths or wipes, along with one of the Dollar Tree cups and a loofah. And that is this one. The only thing I don't like about these black boxes is that unless you close up on it, at least this is what I'm thinking. It's hard to see what's really in them. But yeah. And yeah, I also have in there a razor. So yeah. Okay. This one here is another set that I got from City Trend, that mandatory set. Some people call it mandat. Okay. So once again, I took it out of the box and I used part of the box for the inside backing, and I also used part of it for the bottom. So that's what I have in here. I also added in there a candle and some body cream that I got from Top Shelf a while back. And I needed a riser. I needed a riser just to bring the candle up a little bit. So I put an extra bar of Dove soap at the bottom. I used that as my riser. So that's a little bonus. And of course, we have the loofah. Okay. This one here, this one is a Bath and Body Works. Let's see if I can adjust the slide a little bit. Hold on just one. Okay, so Bath and Body Works body wash. I have the Dove cream. I have the deodorant, and at the back of it, there's a wallet. So this one is gonna, thinking this one here, it's small, but it's gonna have a little weight on it as far as the dollars go. So yeah. And my last one I have here is this. This is not a Bath and Body Works. It's one of those colognes that I got from the wholesale place, along with, I also put in there a wallet. I have the Old Spice deodorant in there. And there, see if you can see it. And right there is one of the terry cloths and a little rose. Now this little necklace there is one that I got from Walmart a while back. And y'all, I got that the original price was $18, but they had it on sale for $3. And they only had two of them. So I got them both. And this is what it actually looks like. And it says that it's a Believe Brilliance men's jewelry, stainless steel, and it's 24-inch. And the beauty of it is if you flip it over, look how pretty that is there. That is gorgeous. I love that. That is gorgeous. So, yeah. So I'm going to put this in another concept, probably something similar to this. So yeah, so my intention was to use the microfiber cloth as a pillow for the necklace, but then I started looking at it and I changed my mind and decided to just drape the necklace over the wallet and print it on the inside of the wallet with a little piece of tape to secure it so that it doesn't move. And yeah, that is what it looks like. So yeah. So that is my last one for today. Yeah. So I'm I'm at my quota. I did say I would make about 30, 40 baskets. So I'm at my quota, but I'm going to continue making baskets because if even if I don't use them for Father's Day, which and I pray that I do sell out, but in the event that it doesn't happen, I can carry them over to either another holiday or probably a special order, so for just some other occasion. And that's why I'm not putting a lot of anything that says Father Day in my baskets. You might see one or two, maybe three, that has something related to Father's Day, like maybe this right here, you know, this would be in one. But the way I see it, this can be for Father's Day, Mother's Day, not Mother's Day, birthday, just any kind of day, because you're a dad 365, not just one day, 365. So I'm thinking that I can use this, put this in a concept and it can roll over for any other occasion. Uh, this same thing. These are the only things that you'll probably find that I really feel I can just let them roll over. Even this same best dad ever. So yeah, but that's it for tonight, y'all. So I hope that you all enjoyed the video, and go ahead, please hit like and comment. I'd like to hear from you. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. There you go. Go ahead and subscribe. I'd like to have you join us. So, with that being said, today is almost over. So, may you all enjoy the rest of your day, evening, night, and until the next video, God bless. See you.